Welcome to the bulk tin matching webinar, where you can learn how to avoid or even eliminate B notices from your tax information reporting process. Does this sound like a familiar scenario? Every January, you pull together your data for 1099 reporting. The file from AP has names, addresses, and tax ID numbers from all the vendors and contractors you paid last year. You do a quick check to make sure all the data is there, and then you create your 1099s and put them in the mail. Later, you file with the IRS, and then you pretty much forget about it. At least until B notices arrive. The IRS has a record of every business or individual taxpayer, and they are identified by their name and their tax identification number. When you create 1099s and file with the IRS, they expect that you are using the name and tax ID that the IRS has on file. If they receive a record where it does not match, the IRS will send you a B notice. And if you can't obtain the correct information in time, you must begin backup withholding. Or worse, you could end up being fined. The IRS Taxpayer Identification Number Matching Program, or bulk tin matching as it is commonly known, is a service offered by the IRS where you can submit your payee information to them and they will tell you which records are good and which are bad. If a record is bad, it means the name and tax ID you sent do not match what the IRS has on file. This can happen for different reasons. Maybe there was a typo when the payee information was set up in your accounts payable system. Or maybe you issue checks to an individual, but the tax ID is associated to their business name. Whatever the reason, you should confirm that what you have is correct, and if it isn't, you can solicit the correct information before you file your 1099s. The IRS bulk tin matching service is available year-round, 24 hours a day, except during scheduled maintenance, but you should consider doing it now to prepare for next tax season. This way, you'll have plenty of time if you need to contact any of your payees for corrected information. The only information required is the individual's first and last name, or the business name, and the tax identification number. Up to 100,000 name and tin combinations can be submitted each time. Matching results are typically available 24 hours after the request has been submitted. Convey can assist you with this process by submitting your information on your behalf and reporting the results back to you. We also offer solicitation services to help you obtain corrected information. For additional information on bulk tin matching or any of Convey's tax information reporting solutions, please call 1-888-303-1099 or visit www.convey.com. And finally, you can keep current on topics like bulk tin matching and 1099 reporting by reading our tax information reporting blog at www.1099news.com. Thank you.